Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add recipients to your Wise account. How to add your friends and send them money with Wise. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. Let's jump into it. First you have to open the Wise application, as you can see here. Then it will open up the main starting page. And then you will have to go to Recipients, this button right here. When you tap on it, it will open up, and if you don't have any recipients yet, you will see this page as you can see here. Once you added some recipients, you will see them saved here. Tap on the plus button to add the recipients, and as you can see here, you can add yourself, which means that you can add other bank accounts of yours or other mobile banking apps of yours. You can add someone else. Here you can add your friends, your family, and other. You can add a business or a charity, and you will see, after you set up all your contacts, you will see a contact list here, and you can just tap on any of the people or businesses and send them money very easily. Now, while you set up the recipients, you will have to give some information. You will have to set up the currency. As you can see, there are a lot of available currencies that you can set up. Let's see, Nepalese rupee. Then you will have to use their email. And as you can see, when I changed the currency, it changed up all the required details. So it depends on the country that you are trying to send. If I go back to euro, you will see that it opens up this little bar and all the bank details are different. So it's very easy. You will know the bank type where you are trying to send your money. So it's very easy, and you don't have to change the forms like on other sites. It can be very bothering when you try to add your bank details, but it's from a different country, and yeah, it can be complicated. But with this app, it's very easy because it changes according to the needs. As you can see, when I choose US, it will open up all the general US bank details that are required. So this is how you can add any informations inside EU. You will have to add the email address, the name of the holder, and IBAN if you are sending inside the EU. If you send outside of the EU, you will have to use the SWIFT or BIC code, full name, and IBAN account number. So this is how you can add recipients to your Wise account. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.